Right now, I'm about to show you how I catch trades exactly at the highs and lows, even before the big move begins. This isn't just theory. It's my personal SmrtAlgo Pro V3 setup, tuned to filter out all the noise so I only take sniper entries. I will show you the settings, the hidden features, and the price action triggers I use. And by the end, you'll know how to spot reversals while other traders are still guessing. So go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime we drop a new video. Let's dive straight in. Now, when you look at this indicator, you can see that the indicator prints out many features that can help you to improve your trading game. But then before we dive in, let me show you the main rule that I normally use to trade. So, I only take trades at the high or the low, but only after the price is traded above the previous high or below the previous low. Now here's a quick breakdown of how the strategy works. If we're in a bullish trend, I will be looking to enter short when price pushes above the previous high and reaches a reversal zone. And if we're in a bearish trend, I will be looking for long entries when price dips below the previous low. Now, the beauty of the SmrtAlgo Pro V3 is that it automatically marks these supply and demand zones, so you don't have to waste time hunting for them. It even shows change of characters and break of structures, which are key signs that a reversal or continuation could be forming. Now, let's talk about settings, because this is where a lot of traders get it wrong. When you go to the setting by clicking on this gear icon, you will see that there are several settings that can be applied to this indicator. Now, here's what I enabled. The supply and demand zones. This represents the reversal areas, the change of character and break of structure. This helps to confirm shifts in trend. Then the dashboard, which displays higher time frame trends. So I left other features disabled, because these are the only ones I will be using for this particular strategy. You can decide to check other relevant settings that you apply to help improve your trading strategy. This indicator has a ton of different features all at once that if you optimize it very well, trust me, you will definitely be profitable and also outsmart other traders. Now, let's go over how you can be able to get valid entry confirmations. This is because once you identify a zone, you don't just jump in straight up. You wait for further confirmations, such as candlestick patterns. So, for a bullish trade, I want to see a bearish break of structure or change of character. And for a bearish trade, I normally look out for a bullish break of structure or change of character marked out by the indicator. Note that these structure shifts must be accompanied with a strong rejection candle that clearly shows a shift in momentum. Also, the break of the high or low needs to be aggressive, meaning a strong push that grabs liquidity followed by an immediate rejection. Let me show you an example. You can see that the price breaks this low aggressively. Then we see the SmrtAlgo Pro V3 prints a break of structure, and then price snaps back, leaving a clear rejection candle. This is a clear green light of price rejection. Additionally, price tapped into a demand zone before rejecting, which is an additional confirmation of a potential reversal. I also check higher time frames by looking at the dashboard to know if the higher time frame trend aligns with my analysis. This enables me to see the overall trend. As you can see here, the higher time frames are bullish, starting from the 4-hour to the daily time frame, all aligning with our setup. Now, before we can confidently take trades here, we need to see a strong bullish candle to be sure that the momentum has shifted to the upside. And moving forward, we can see that price gave this bullish engulfing candle, which further confirms our setup. So that's where we now enter a long position and target at least 2 to 1 risk to reward. And letting the trade run, you can see how price pushed up from there, eventually hitting our target and resulting in a profitable trade. If you want to get the Pro V3 indicator, just click the link in the description below to visit the SmrtAlgo official website. When you go over their pricing, they have the monthly plan, the lifetime plan, and the quarterly plan. Even on the monthly plan, you get access to their VIP Discord group, but you'll need the higher tiers for the SmrtAlgo toolkit and other premium features. Now, let's look at a bearish example. On this chart, you can see that the price breaks this high aggressively. Then we see the Pro V3 indicator print a bullish break of structure. And then the break of structure was immediately followed by a clear rejection candle, signaling a potential reversal from that area. Moving forward, we also have this strong bearish candle, which indicates a shift of momentum to the downside. So, having all these confirmations, we then take a sell position at the close of the confirmation candle, place our stop loss slightly above the high, and target a 1 to 2 risk-to-reward ratio. Then letting the trade run, you can see how price respected our analysis and pushed down to our target. Sometimes the indicator will show a break of structure or change of character, but if we don't get a rejection candle, it is a no trade for me. Remember, discipline will always keep you out of losing trades. So, this is the simple strategy I use with the SmrtAlgo Pro V3 indicator to catch reversals. Now, here are a few key points to remember whenever you want to use this indicator. First, always wait for the price to break the previous high or low first. Then use candlestick confirmation, especially rejection candles or engulfing patterns. Always check the higher time frame bias before committing to a trade. And finally, always try to adjust settings to fit your strategy. So if you combine SmrtAlgo Pro V3 with solid price action rules, you'll have a powerful, repeatable trading system. If you want to get the SmrtAlgo Pro V3 indicator, there's a link in the description to their website, where you can purchase the right to use the indicator and get access to other SmrtAlgo premium features. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, also subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed whenever we make new videos.